So in today's video we are going to be talking about how to max images into shapes. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the tutorial. So if this is the first time meeting my channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and then like this video. So let's go straight into the tutorial. So first of all, we'll create shapes. So we'll come to this one, then we'll press on shapes, then we increase the radius to 100% to make it a circle. So there are two ways to make a circle. First one is to increase the radius to 100% to make it a circle, and the second one is to press here. When you press there, then this is a circle here, then you press on the circle and then it will give you a circle. That is it. So that is how to form a circle. And if you want an introduction to Pixellab, make sure to drop it in the comments, and then I'll be happy to make a tutorial about it, because I really appreciate my followers here on YouTube. So when you create the shape, the second thing is we are going to be bringing our image. So we press on this plus sign, then we press on from gallery, then we go to our gallery. So wait for it to load. So then let me go to my import my remove background gallery, which is screenshot. So this is the particular image we are going to be masking. So this is the image, then we'll bring the image. So first one is bringing out the shape, the second one is the image. So this is what we are going to be doing. We are going to be hiding this image and then save and then import the shape. So this is what we are going to be doing. Let's put it into practice. We press here, then you hide the image. Then you come here, which is this one, then you press on transparent. To make the background transparent. Then we save this shape as an image. Then we save it to our gallery. Then you come back again, then you hide the shape also, and then make the picture visible, make the image visible. I hope you get the process. Pay attention to what I'm doing. You hide the image first, then you save the shape. Then the second is to hide the shape and then save the image as well. So let's save the image. So you save the image as you save the image also. When you save it, then you delete the shape, then just leave this image, let this image be there. So what we are going to be doing is we'll be giving the background a color, which in this case I'll be giving it a black color, because this will match what we are going to be doing. So then I'll bring the shape. So first of all, let's hide the image first to make our work clean, so that you'll be able to relate to the video. So first, let's hide the image, then we bring out the shape that we saved first. So we are going to be bringing the shape again. So we bring the shape, then you come to this relative size. You press on it, make sure it is 100. Then position it to the center. When you position it to the center, you make sure you lock it. When don't lock it, because you are going to be putting the image. Then second, you come to texture. You just select the shape and come to texture, which is here. You press on texture, then you press on image. What we are going to be bringing is the image that we saved. So this is the image here, then we press on the image, then we import it. So you see, we have imported the image. So first of all, make sure this scale here, make sure this scale here is 100%, which is 100%, so we don't have to adjust anything. So what we are going to be doing is we'll lock the shape. When you lock the shape, then you bring out the image. when you bring out the image, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be masking this, we are going to be cropping this image. So we are not going to do some fancy stuff here, we are not going to be doing something confusing. What we are going to be doing is simple. We are going to press on this crop section here, which is cross this thing here, or choose the image rather, then press on crop, then you crop it so that it can fit in the shape. Crop it very well so that it can fit very well in the shape. So make sure to bring the image up. Make sure to bring the image up. So, and then position it to the center as well. So make sure to crop the image very well. So the image is now at center. So what we do is crop it very well. Make sure you crop it very well so that you make everything professional. So this is what we are going to be doing. You see, like it's somehow not fitting this thing. So what we are going to be doing is you press on the image again, come scroll till you see mask. This is here. Then you press on the mask. You press on the mask. Then you on the mask. Then you bring it so it fits. Make sure you are doing the right thing. Make sure you are doing the right thing. Okay? Make sure what you are doing is the right thing. I hope you get me. Make sure what you are doing is the right thing so that your work will look very professional. Make sure you are doing the right thing. Let me see. This is not professional. So let's mask it again. Make sure until the work is make sure you get the right thing before you present your work, because you have to make it very professional, make it very real. So let's see. This is still looking somehow not professional. So make yours very professional, because this is a tutorial, so I don't want it to be long. That's why I'll be stopping here, because I don't want this tutorial to be somehow long. Okay, but make sure yours is very professional, because you have to make your work professional. So let's see. Oh, this is not fit as well, but you can make yours fit as well. Then you make sure you merge it together. This is just a brief tutorial. So like, I know this is not professional, but in your edge you can make this professional, because it's because of the tutorial sake, because I've created this before. So let me bring out my design that I've created about that, then you see the difference. This is the design I've created about that. You see how perfect I got this. You see how perfect I got this. So make sure to take your time and do this thing very well. Take your time, because creativity takes time. Take your time and create it very well, because this is a tutorial, so that is why it's in that way. So if you gain value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and then I'll see you in the next one. Peace.